Okay, just doing a video, and I haven't done one in ages, but my jukebox had stopped working. I hadn't used it in a while. And it's a Rock-Ola for anyone that's got one, although I really can't see the model number on the back, so I still don't really know which model it is. But what I wanted to say, after watching a video myself on how to repair them, what I would say is, if you know that you know nothing's gone wrong from the previous time you used it, or the previous owner said the same, that they just haven't used it like I hadn't, the way I found to work it is literally this. I don't want to move it now, but move it to the scan, and if everything starts working then, or spinning at least then, and other parts still aren't working, like your read in and read out, don't worry. Just don't worry. Just keep moving this, slowly and just between the different places. And I'm telling you, eventually this is all I did, and she's working. So I just kept on moving that, and eventually all the connections started joining up again.